All right, guys, I'm going to be testing out this head shaver. I'm testing out several of them in several days in a row just because I needed a new one. My last one started to smell a little bit because of water getting into places where water shouldn't have gotten in. So I'm going to be testing this one out. It claims to be waterproof, so that's good. And turn it on right here. And it has a display on this side showing right now that it's full percentage wise. It's FU, full. Charges up via USB-C, and it's got a nice big area that it shaves at a time. So I'm going to try this out and let you know how it does. All right, so this is what mine looks like after using it. You can definitely tell some hairs around all the blades there. I used it for a little less than 2 minutes, and I probably didn't need to use it that long just because it was already, my hair was already pretty much cut at that point. But I like to be thorough, so I like to go over everything a couple times. At that point, you can just take this off. It's magnetic, so it just attaches magnetically there. Then you can rinse it off or use the brush that they provide to brush off some of the hair if you want into a trash can, or like I'm doing right now, down the sink, but then you have to deal with clogs and stuff eventually. But hopefully that doesn't build up too fast just from this little bit. So brushes off pretty easily, and you can do the same thing on the blade side if you want. And then, like I said, I always kind of rinse it off a little bit and then let it dry. So yeah, pretty easy. And this thing just attaches magnetically. So once again, power button's there, and then you can see the power percentage left there when you turn it on. So that used about 3% just now. But yeah, seems to work well. Nice big area that it cuts. It does have some give to it there, so it'll go around the contours of your head. So yeah, seems like a good one. I like it.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.